In this video tutorial, we will show you how to encrypt a file with AES 256 by creating a new container with advanced settings. Once you have successfully installed BestCrypt, go and open the BestCrypt control panel. Click Container menu and select New. Select the container file path. We'll name our container My Container. Then select the size. We will keep the suggested size and provide a brief description. We can enter Advanced Container. Click Show Advanced Settings to access the Advanced Container menus. The Security Option tab is selected by default. Here, you can choose Encryption, Algorithms, Mode, and Key Generator for the new container. Since this video, we want to show you how to encrypt a file with AES 256. So we will select AES with XTS and KG Ghost. Now go ahead and select the Container Type tab. With BestCrypt, you can create two types of containers: regular or dynamic. What's the difference? First, a regular container allows you to create and allocate a defined amount of space for your container. If you choose to create a regular container, you will need to select the randomization mode. By randomizing in the background, the container is available instantly. Yet, when you work with a dynamic container, it allows you to save physical disk space and expand as you go. Here, we'll select Dynamic Type. Now go ahead and select the Format Options tab. Here, you can choose File System. Keep in mind that dynamic containers are supported on NTFS only. Now select the Mount Option tab to choose a mount drive from the drop-down list. Here, you can also choose to format the container later by unchecking the box. Now go ahead and click Create. Choose a password for the new container. And click OK. Move your mouse around this window or type anywhere on the keyboard to generate random data for the encryption key. Now, you can drag and drop your files into this container. After you're done, don't forget to wipe the original unencrypted files. Congratulations! You have now learned how to encrypt a file with AES 256. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.